Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about some stationery names. You will also learn how to use you and you to describe both and. First, let's listen to some conversations.
快开学了，我还没有买文具，你买了吗？
没有，我们一起去买吧。
好，超市离我家不远，我们走路去。
好，你要买什么？
我要买铅笔、彩笔、橡皮，还有笔记本。
我要买圆珠笔，还要买一个背包。
你看那个红色的背包怎么样？
那个背包很好看，可是价格太贵了，80块。我不想买太贵的。
你觉得这个蓝色的怎么样？35块。
这个背包又便宜又好看，我就买这个。
快开学了，我还没有买文具，你买了吗？
没有，我们一起去买吧。
好，超市离我家不远，我们走路去。
好，你要买什么？
我要买铅笔、彩笔、橡皮，还有笔记本。
我要买圆珠笔，还要买一个背包。
你看那个红色的背包怎么样？
那个背包很好看，可是价格太贵了，80块。我不想买太贵的。
你觉得这个蓝色的怎么样？35块。
这个背包又便宜又好看，我就买这个。Vocabulary. 开学 School starts. Note here that this is a verb phrase. For example, 快开学了 School is about to start. 我们学校9月1号开学 Our school starts on September the 1st. 文具 Stationery. For example, 我还没有买文具 I haven't bought stationery yet. 这个超市没有文具 There's no stationery in this supermarket. Using 离 to express the distance from place A to place B. The sentence structure is like this. Place A plus 离 plus place B plus adverb. For example, 超市离我家不远 The supermarket is not far from my house. 我家离学校很近 My home is very close to the school. More examples. 上海离北京多远 How far is Shanghai from Beijing? 我家离电影院有点远，我们骑自行车去吧。My home is a bit far from the movie theater. Let's ride bicycles there. 铅笔 pencil. For example, 我要去超市买铅笔。I'm going to the supermarket to buy pencils. 我要用铅笔做作业。I will use a pencil to do my homework. 彩笔Colored markers. For example, 我没有带彩笔，可以借你的彩笔吗？ I don't have colored markers with me. Can I borrow yours? 这个超市的彩笔很便宜。The colored markers in this supermarket are very cheap. 橡皮 eraser. For example, 你可以借给我一块橡皮吗？ Can you lend me an eraser?上次你借我的橡皮还没有还。Last time you borrowed my eraser and haven't returned it yet. 笔记本 notebook. For example, 我要买3本笔记本。I want to buy 3 notebooks. 我的笔记本用完了。I have used up my notebooks. 圆珠笔 ballpoint pen. For example, 我不喜欢用圆珠笔做作业。I don't like doing homework with a ballpoint pen. 我要去买圆珠笔。I'm going to buy a ballpoint pen. 背包 backpack. For example, 这个红色的背包很好看。This red backpack looks very nice. 今天我没有带背包。I didn't bring a backpack today. Using you structure to express the idea of both and. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus you plus adjective A plus you plus adjective B Note here that adjective A and adjective B should be both good or bad. For example, 这个背包又便宜又好看。This backpack is both cheap and good looking. 妈妈做的饭又好看又好吃。The food mom made is both good looking and delicious. More examples. 这双鞋又贵又不好看。This pair of shoes is both expensive and bad looking. 这个房间又乱又脏。This room is both messy and dirty. Now it's time for a culture tip. Do you know the 4 treasures in the study? 文房四宝. In Chinese history, those are very essential tools in a study room. These 4 treasures are 笔 brush pen, 墨 ink, 纸 paper, 砚 inkstone. They are used for traditional Chinese art like calligraphy and painting. Even up to today, they are a very important part of Chinese cultural heritage. Have you ever tried to write Chinese characters with a brush pen? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!